In a land of shimmering castles and emerald valleys lay a kingdom known for its beauty and peace. Here lived Princess Alara, a kind and curious soul whose heart was as bright as the morning dew. She loved exploring, often wandering through the palace's ancient halls, seeking forgotten tales and hidden wonders. One day, tucked away in a forgotten chamber, she stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. It was an ancient mirror, unlike any she had ever seen, radiating a soft, mysterious glow. Filled with wonder, Alara gazed into its depths, expecting to see her reflection. But the mirror showed no image of her face. Instead, it revealed her inner qualities. It showed her kindness, a moment when she helped a lost bird find its way home. It showed her bravery, standing up for a smaller child against a playful but boisterous older one. It showed her honesty, admitting a small mistake even when it was difficult. And it showed her heart, full of compassion for all living things in her kingdom. Alara learned that true beauty wasn't just what you saw, but what you felt and did. But soon, a shadow fell upon the kingdom. A great challenge emerged, threatening their peace. The crops withered, the rivers ran low, and a strange, unsettling silence fell over the land. The people grew fearful, and even the bravest knights seemed unsure of what to do. Princess Alara felt overwhelmed, unsure how a young girl like her could possibly help. She remembered the magic mirror and its wisdom. She returned to the hidden chamber, seeking guidance. "Oh, wise mirror," she whispered, "how can I help my kingdom when I feel so small?" The mirror shimmered, and a gentle voice seemed to echo from its depths. "Look beyond what you see, Alara. Trust the kindness, bravery, and honesty within your heart." Inspired, Alara realized she didn't need to be big or strong to make a difference. She gathered the royal gardeners and suggested a new way to conserve water using ancient techniques. With her honesty, she convinced the merchants to share their remaining supplies fairly among all. Her kindness led her to comfort the fearful children, telling them stories of hope and resilience. And with her quiet bravery, she ventured into the forgotten archives to find old maps of hidden springs. Her actions, small yet significant, began to turn the tide. Hope slowly returned to the kingdom. The hidden springs were found, the crops began to recover, and the laughter of children filled the air once more. The kingdom was saved, not by a grand battle, but by the quiet strength of its princess. Alara looked into the magic mirror one last time. This time, she saw her true self. She saw a leader, wise and compassionate, whose inner beauty shone brighter than any crown. From that day forward, Princess Alara ruled with wisdom, always remembering the mirror's lesson. She taught her people that true strength comes from within, from kindness, bravery, and an honest heart. And so, the kingdom flourished, a testament to the power of inner beauty and self-confidence. Remember, your greatest treasures are not what you see, but the wonderful qualities within you. If you enjoyed this heartwarming tale, please like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring stories.